friends, welcome to Beauty with Karah, where we talk about all things beauty. Today I'm going to be doing a few product reviews and I'm going to be showing you how to do the perfect pout. Okay friends, so today we're going to be talking all about the lips, and I'm going to be doing a review on the Mary Kay Satin Lip Set, and then I'm going to be showing you my perfect pout look using the new lip kits. So this is kind of like a dual video because I wanted to show you the new products, and the satin lips kind of are a part of my routine when I do the lips. So if you haven't seen my last video review, I did a review on the Microdermabrasion Plus set, so I will link that up above so you can go check that out. So basically what I did is I took a before photo and then I used this product for 30 days straight, and then took an after photo to see what it would look like. So in this video I'm going to show you what the Satin Lip Set does, how to use it, and then my results, and then we will get into our perfect little pout and I'll show you how I do my lips so that they look good and they stay all day, and I'll be using the new lip kits, so I will show you what the new lip kits are if you're like, what is that? And yeah, so let's get into it. Okay, so the Satin Lip Set comes with two different products. It comes with the Shea Sugar Scrub and the Shea Butter Balm. So together they make the Satin Lip Set. So basically what the Shea Sugar Scrub does is exfoliate the lips. So it is a sugar exfoliator scrub. Some people tell me that it tastes like Fruit Loops or Fruity Pebbles. It just tastes like sugar to me. So this is the Satin Lip Balm, and this actually has a little applicator like that to put it directly on your lips. So what makes this different from most chapsticks is that it contains shea butters and jojoba oils, and it doesn't contain alcohol and wax. So if you look at drugstore chapsticks, a lot of them do contain alcohol or wax in it, and obviously alcohol dries your lips out because that's what alcohol does, and it's addicting, and then wax sits on top of your lips instead of soaking into it. So the ingredients in this actually soak into your lips and protect your lips and giving you softer, smoother lips. So I'm going to show you how to use these. So basically with the Shea Scrub, you take a little bit, you don't need a lot, and then you rub it all over your lips, and then you kind of just scrub your lips together and let it sit for a minute or two, and then you're going to use a wet washcloth to wash it off. So a wet washcloth is actually a good way to exfoliate your lips without a product. So scrubbing your lips gently with a washcloth helps exfoliate. So I like to use the washcloth on top of this to help it a little bit more to really get a good exfoliation process. And then you're going to take your shea butter and you're going to put that balm on your lips and let it soak in. And you can put this on once a day, multiple times a day if you wish, but as much as needed basically, and it's just going to keep your lips super soft. So I am a type of person who has super dry, flaky, cracked lips. I lick my lips a lot, I pick at them, I am terrible. So using this product daily really helped a lot. I definitely still have bad habits that I need to break. So here's a before picture before I started using this. As you can see in my before picture, it's super cracked and flaky. And as you can see in my after picture, it's a lot better. I still am going to keep trying to use this product consistently because they definitely need a lot of moisture, but you can tell that my lips are not as chapped and not as flaky as before. So you're going to want to keep using this consistently to get the best results. I use the scrub like 3 to 4 times a week. You can use it every day, but 3 to 4 times a week is what's recommended, and then the balm you can use every day or as much as needed. So I really like this set. I just need to be a little bit more consistent with it to get the best results. I definitely think it has really good results when I do use it, so which is basically any product that you use. So you just gotta be consistent, guys. Hi friends, I have some quick little announcements for you. So like I mentioned in my last video, I opened my Etsy store and I have some mystery beauty boxes up and ready to go. I have a couple different tiers depending on how much products you want in your beauty box, and I also have a subscription that you can do for the whole year, so that's pretty cool. And then of course, like I mentioned in all of my videos, we do a monthly beauty session in one of my Facebook groups. It's all virtual, so you don't have to leave your home and you get to try new products, try new trends, and we are doing a special Mother's Day spa event on May 8th, the day before Mother's Day. So we're gonna do all body stuff. It's gonna be super relaxing, and you can invite your mom, your daughter, anyone else you want to invite. It's a lot of fun, and we still have room for guests, so I will link that down below. Make sure you fill out the registration form for it, and someone will get in touch with you about your package and more details. So I hope you can join us. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Okay, so now let's get back to me showing you my perfect pout. Okay, so let's talk about our perfect pout. So when I do my makeup, which I have on right now, I do obviously lips. Even if I'm wearing a mask, I love doing my lips because it makes me feel good. So the first thing I do is obviously the Satin Lip Set. So I do the scrub, and then I do the balm, and then I let it soak for a couple minutes. So as I'm doing the rest of my makeup, it's soaking and doing all that good stuff. And then I bring out some other products. So I'm going to first put on foundation. You can also put on concealer, and I know that's a little weird, but the foundation actually creates a neutral color for your lips so that the color of the lipstick goes on like more of the color of the tube. So if you want your lipstick to look exactly like it is on the tube, a foundation or concealer to cover your lips first is a great way to get that color, because the color of your lips is not changing the color of the lipstick that's in the tube, if that makes sense. So I'm going to put on a little bit of foundation. Now I will say, if you have trouble with dry and cracked lips, don't use a matte foundation for your lips. Try to use like a creamy or luminous formula so that it kind of gives it still a little bit of moisture. Another great reason why you want to do foundation on the lips is if you want to reshape your lips for any reason. So if you have small lips and would like larger lips, you can do that. If you have super large lips and you want to make them smaller, you can do that as well. Or whatever you want to do, you can shape your lips differently by putting the foundation on first and then using your lip liner to basically create the look that you want. So now you can move on to your lip liner if you want, but I'm actually going to do an extra step here. I'm going to take a little bit of my loose powder, just a teeny bit of this, and I'm going to just set this foundation. So this helps it to not move, and then the lip liner kind of goes on a little easier. So now I'm going to put the lip liner on. So this, I'm going to bring out the lip kits. So the lip kits, these new lip kits comes in nude and pink. So I'm actually going to use the nude, which is a shade of pink. So this is a pink undertone nude, which works really well with me. I'm not a big nude person. I don't like brown nudes, but pinks actually work a little bit better on me, and I haven't found one that looks good, and then this one came along, so I'm actually really happy with these. So the lip kits have a lip liner and a lip color, lipstick, whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to go in with my lip liner, and I actually have really small lips, if you can't tell. I always had a small mouth, so I like to overline my lips and kind of bring it over more on the sides. So all I'm just gonna do is basically line around the lip, but like super close to the lip. So I'm not gonna make super huge over corrections. I'm just going to line right over top of where my lip is. So after you line your lips, you can actually fill it in if you want, or you can keep it and then do the lipstick. It's really just personal preference. I'm going to fill it in. Okay, so now that I have my lip liner on, I'm actually going to do a little bit more of the loose powder just to set that in place. So doing a lot of loose powder between layers helps to let it set and not transfer as much, and so that it lasts a little longer throughout the day. Okay, and then I'm going to take my lipstick, fill that in. And then what I like to do is put a couple different layers. So once you put your lipstick on, you're gonna want to blot, and you're gonna wanna blot directly and not put it inside the lips and like close your lips upon it, because then it unevenly takes the lipstick off, if that makes sense. So you're just gonna want to pat. And then I'm going to take a little 1-ply sheet of tissue, toilet paper, whatever you have, and I'm going to put more loose powder on top, so kind of like this. So that helps set the lipstick, and we use the tissue so that it doesn't get a lot of the powder onto it and doesn't stick and all that stuff. So now you can do as many layers as you want and just do those steps over and over again until you have the amount of color that you want. So I'm just gonna do one more layer just to kind of make sure it's on. And that is my nude lip. So with nude lip color, you don't really need to do too many layers because it is a nude. But with brighter colors, since you're blotting it off and using a translucent powder over top, you're gonna need a couple more layers than with just a nude. So that is the lip color. And my lips look so much better when I use the Satin Lip Set right beforehand, and then I use foundation and a lip liner instead of just going straight on with a lipstick. It just preps the lips better, it helps the lipstick last longer and look just 10 times better. So that is how I got my perfect pout. So that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments down below and what kind of products you'd like me to review as well. Like always, I will link all the products that I use down below if you want to check them out. And I also have my contact information down below if you'd like to get in touch with me for a complimentary beauty consultation or have any questions about your beauty routine. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button for more videos every Thursday. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.